beautiful people, lovers of freedom all over the world. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening for wherever you might be watching me from. I do appreciate your support always on this channel. I am grateful. In case you are seeing my face for the first time, I am AGATHA Progress channel here on YouTube, and I come across your way every blessed day. Do well to support Biafra referendum, because in Biafra, we shall rejoice together. All right, I have a wonderful video here that I want us to watch together. I don't know how you felt about it, but I do hope you pick some sense from it. Now here is the video. Watch it and I will be right back.
Hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. Umunde mbobo ni fuloku anisim. Imana enwere emergency. Imana onwere ka o si wee dị. Udunu udi ọbụna. Na-ege ntị, wụcha ntị gị ọfụma. Ekwekwana ka mmadụ wọrọ ya go aghaghị. O mebere 1 hour mmelu video. Mgbe mebe another one. That will show you that in aghaghị. Serious one, yeah. Meeting na adba underground. All the too much. Mepe anya gị, mepe ntị gị. Mgbe uche ma ọfọ. Unu elotala mgbe uche ma ọfọ bidoro wee misbehave. Ha nwere conference meeting na Facebook. Ha claim na ha na onwere onye ọzọ chọpụtara na that meeting na-aga on. While na ha man at the meeting, now one of them they broadcast the meeting outside their meeting. And the people na fear. And they ha claim na ha maro while na hammer. The same system. The same system. Ha melo well meeting with the Chike Doziem. Onye na they cannot handle over this struggle naka. Secret meeting or open meeting, secret meeting only for them. Now, after that meeting, Simon Ekpa on another meeting. How come Ojibo Simon Ekpa be the first person post to that meeting? Chike Doziem post to there. Radio Biafra post to there. Simon Ekpa on the meeting. Now we post to there. Nwanyi no na America post. Those women no put a condition. Choli lelo Ipob na Lego. Go you have that clip post to send the area never post to Zena. We go see again. Number 1. Number 2, if I know back. Osi nwelo onye the stronger than Nnamdi Kanu, but Simon Ekpa. Emihem na gun. Gache ki ebe if I know back. Melo Simon Ekpa campaign. Or campaign can get back on the only praise much. Now I don't know when only other dangerous more than Nnamdi Kanu, even the more dangerous than Nnamdi Kanu, no Simon Ekpa. Nigerian government, politicians have hijacked go Simon Ekpa through all those women in America. Man, a very shameful thing called away that guy. Una mahenji hanaka. He had the Hindi Buji Agofo. Okay, for the Hanjinaka. And I put your soji. Or soji had that red Gigi felle. On your bonano na IPOB. You wasting no betray this struggle. Or you had the rollogan manake. Or you had the rollogan manafo. Unquo, no, oh ye. Or you had the rollogan man. Even Buga Bunkege. Imalum di was your name na this struggle. Ababulu. Na hana chop Biafra. Ababulu. Has Mason down the can we went at Biafra. Hamu. Iwe feel only gauge where dead wing. Eba Uluneje. Simon Ekpa. I told me what this why. Kita can for go. Nya, you had to wear what potaketa brama to go full step unu. Gina no money America. Oprosa home working on the ground. Put eba win Simon Ekpa. Une mego meeting now, maybe the meeting, meeting now. We feel na we sit at home on Friday. Kuno try ya people, mama ya comply. Then I complies ya. Comply no unu ma the no mo see heji ndi DOS Okay, ya no nwa melo ke Simon Ekpa unu eje iji we na ebe akwa mgbe obuna na ndi DOS na emegide gị. ka people will hate the DOS. Can you the DOS email of Simon Ekpa? He had Waloge give you a sign one akwụkwọ etu ndị ọzọ si assign one akwụkwọ before he broadcast it back. You see, they got a sign. Which email the broadcast open that you will never sign anything. Onye Gwaloge. You need to know IPOB sign there. Why you gonna do a sign one? You have your own agenda. You will agenda again. Immediately you have to go. I know the why your sins in your chat. Can you chat off more for ma? And I pump ego politicians and I pump ego the Simon there. I know. Or hijack ya de. Yan the American hijack. Oh, my American one. That cause problem. I hijack this trouble. But I'm going to go away. Okay, for the young Jinaka. Only open I could be again. Only open us no. Qua. O make them the IPOB. Go get my leg on us. Where come I hand? I hear the question. What am I buy? Not the area. Open or no. Okay, for you have also. Also, Gia. Not the area. Or the rest of India. Machine can not name. You know the very wicked. Ụmụ mbọsị njụrụ ajụjụ na vidio ndị Igbo kedu onye ya azụ unu onye ya azụ unu kedu onye ya azụ ndị Igbo ọ gịnị na-eme unu kedu onye ya azụ unu o ihe ifele ka ọwụ Simon ebe anyị na-aga repeat ya again si ebe anyị na-aga pụta ụzọ adọrọ de nwere ihe ndekọtalụ n'ụwa ụzọ anọrọ ebe anwa ife iruo n'Igbo disciple of Nnamdi Kanu. Mgbe Peter weyilu mma ka ọ madịkwu mmadụ ntị Jizọs sịrị anya wetuo mma ya o weturu mma ya tinye mma ya n'ọbọ tinye mma ya n'ọbọ gịnị mere ihe respectọrọ akwụkwọ Nnamdi Kanu rules and regulation ọ debere before he broadcast ya iju because he nwere ya own agenda ịbụta ata nwanne gbafuo Simon gbafuo gbata aka nwere ha iji ga-eme gbata aka afụgo m ebe ị na-eje ama m nkịtị sinsi ndị gbara na-atakọlọ gị na-afụgo m the reason why ha ji atakọlọ gị gbafuo my friend gbata aka etu onye ra ihe anam pụta na Facebook bido bebe akwa na-emegide gị ndị DOS na-emegide gị utinye this your sentimental blackmail ka ị na-blackmail ndị DOS because ndị nwe followers people believe ihe ị na-ekwu ọ bụrụ people ọ bụrụ ndị dị ka m ndị DOS mee nke na-abụrụ ya nwanne ana m agwa ha straight. Make mistake, I will correct myself. That is me. Mu agada no na this struggle. I will end the buy. Unless you shock, I will end. Simon Ekpa, you make onye na work with the Nigerian government. Now work with the Igbo politicians. Yes. I forgot me your full step. I forgot me. Unu tiyezelo. Unu gina umwanya America tiyezelo. Sit at home on Friday. Who goes there? Onye ke yo. Anwa woke bafuo.
At this particular moment, I'm just trying to understand the present situation. Why is everything turning around all of a suddenly? Just within 2 months, or let me say some days of His Excellency Mazi being in the custody of the DSS, everything is falling apart. But I believe that we will come out so strong. I want this issue of Brother Ekpa and every other IPOB member, why can't they put a stop to it? This thing is generating to something different, something else. Every day it is changing its position to something else. It's just like now the IPOB, they have 2 groups right now. They have 2 groups, and these 2 groups, they are just fighting themselves. That is what is going on right and now. That is what we are seeing now. They have split into 2 groups. 1 group for these people, 1 group for these people. That is what is going on right now, of which is not supposed to be. Should not be called for. I think that presently now what would have been our situation is how the essential estimates Nadekalu will be at. Instead of finding fault from each other, calling each other's names, trying to bring division among the body. But I know that all these things that are going on right now is going to end with praise, because they made a parable and said a house that is divided against himself can never stand. This division is getting out of hand. if brother Ekpa said he's not going to make any agreement, he's not going to sign any document, he don't want to be a full part of what is going on, he just want to obey the command of Mazi, so be it. So be it. If you people think that is going wrong, is going the way it should not go, let's try and call him, let's reach him privately, and let's discuss these issues with him one-on-one, and let's see his feedback or his reaction. So I don't really think that coming on air to debate on this issue every time is the best. This our brother that just made this video is someone that I respect so much, because he is doing a great job as well, by also giving it hot back to back with the leadership of Southeast governors, with Fulani Esme. In fact, he's doing a great job. He's doing a great job. But my beloved brother, let peace reign. Let's work as one body. Let's work as one body. Let's stop this pointing accusing fingers on people. Let's stop it. Let's just work accordingly. Let's fight the race that is set before us, and let's run this race with caution. I really think that everything work together for good. So because if the leader of Biafra, Mazi will hear all this, he will just be laughing and say, hey, is this the people that I called I'm going to follow, I'm dying for? Please let him not regret. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I still remain AGATHA. Progress any day, anytime. See you when I all right. But if you know you have been watching this channel, you have been flowing along with this channel for so long, and you haven't subscribed, oh my word, what are you then waiting for? Please click on that red subscribe button that says subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. Thank you very much for all the support you have been giving to me in this channel. I really do appreciate. What could I have done without you? Thank you very much once again. I really remain loyal. See you when I see you. Bye for now.